So I'm going to talk about my preferred method for reducing the slug population in my garden. So there are different methods. You can make traps, you can put out pellets, um, but one that I've found that gives me the most bang for my buck, so to speak, and is essentially free and very little effort on my part is just going out during the night and collecting them. Literally, go out there, wear some gloves. I like disposable gloves. Just come along, and when it's after dark and it's kind of moist out, they're coming out, just start picking them up. Get a little plastic bag, lunch bag. You got your disposable gloves. Just start picking them up. So this is a really effective way to dramatically reduce their population. If you come out and see their little shimmering slugs, you can easily spot them with like a little flashlight or something. And I have come out and picked up dozens of them. And I've had it be kind of weirdly satisfying because I'm just like, man, I've picked up like 30 slugs in one evening, and you can just imagine how much of a detriment that is to the population. And I'm just like easily saving my garden for maybe 5 to 10 minutes worth of effort. Just come out every night with a little baggie, with some gloves. It might be gross the first time, but you're wearing gloves, it's fine. Just pick up like a dozen or so slugs every evening, and I guarantee you that you will start to see the numbers of slugs that you're finding drop dramatically. And this can be a easy and completely free way to save some of the more sensitive things in your garden that they go after.